Good day. For today's topic, we're going to talk about the basics of text. You'll need to learn the basics of typing, editing, and organizing text if you're new to Microsoft Word. Basic tasks includes the ability to add, delete, and move text, as well as the ability to cut, copy, and paste text in your document. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is using the insertion point in adding text. So over here in our document, as I click this one, you can see that there's a blinking vertical line in our document. So this is what we call the insertion point. So this indicates where on the page you can enter text. In a multitude of ways you can use the insertion point. So first things first, you can use it in a blank document. So I'm going to click Control plus N on our keyboard to show a blank document. So as you can see, in this blank document, the insertion point will appear at the top of the page whenever a new blank document opens. So you can begin typing for this location if you want. For example, I'm going to type my name, Raymond. So as you can see, here is the insertion point. So it indicates your location on the page. And now let's go back to our document. So the other one is to add space. So that's the very simple thing. So you can begin the typing from this location if you want. For example, architecture. For example, I'm going to add in the city. So as you can see, wherever the insertion point is, it adds, you can put or you can locate and add some words. So the third one is a new paragraph line. So the paragraph line is the one that moves the insertion point to the next line. So press enter on your keyboard. So if you're going to click this, as you can see, whenever I click enter, it creates a whole new line. So what if I put something over here? For example, just going to click random letters. So as you can see, whenever I click the enter, it adds a new space. So at the same time, let's talk about the manual placement. You can use the mouse to move the insertion point to a specific place in your document once you start typing. Just click the location where you want to be placed in the text. So I'm going to move this vertical scroll bar and I want to start over here. So as I can see, just press enter and type my name, for example. So here, I just type my name. That's how you manually place your insertion point. On the other hand, we can also use arrow keys, in which you can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the insertion point. So right now, I'm going to use my arrow keys. So as you can see, I'm using the up button. So the left and right arrow keys will move between adjacent characters in the same line. For example, here. So while the up and down arrows will move the paragraph line, you can also press Ctrl plus left. So I'm going to click here on my keyboard, the Ctrl right. So as you can see, it skips the whole or the entire word. So I'm going to skip again. So as you can see in this example, by clicking Ctrl plus right, it moves the whole word. If you're going to click Ctrl plus left, it moves the other words. So that's how you use or inserting the insertion point by adding text.